Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we have an update on one of our favourite stocks on this channel. We've been covering this one for some time, okay? I do have a small position in them. However, it is exciting to follow. And we're going to be talking about HCMC. We've been speaking about this one for some time now, since about early January time. We've been part of the roller coaster. We've been on the highs. We've been all the way down to those incredible lows again. However, we're going to see what happens. It's kind of been consolidating really over the past few months. There's not been a lot of news out around these, and people have of course been taking profits or cutting their losses and moving it into some more exciting stocks. Please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research when investing. But nevertheless, we're going to talk about HCMC. We'll try and give you updates on these, every week. See what's going on with this one, if there's any news out, or what we can potentially expect going forward in the weeks ahead. If you appreciate all these updates, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel. So we're talking about Healthy Choices Management Corp. And as you guys know, there are two main things going on with this one. Number one here is the current rights offering. There is a rights offering in process, which we'll go through in just a moment. And the second one here, of course, is the main one, the lawsuit. Now, update on the lawsuit for those of you that are wondering what is going on. We still don't have an update, okay, in essence here. Motion to dismiss, failure to state a claim. That was on April the 19th. And you can see on Pace and Monitor, we still have no updates. We are almost coming up to 2 months since our last lawsuit update, which, it may seem like a long time, but maybe that's just an indication of how long we can potentially expect to wait. If we're waiting on this long just to find out whether the case is actually going to start going to court or not, or going through the process of it, then, it gives us an idea of the length that this could take. People think this is going to be a quick turnaround. I think we're in this for the long haul. That is for sure, okay? We see with the BAT case, which I spoke about before, the BAT and Philip Morris case, that took a long time. And, it's still going through all the motions as well right now, although it does look like BAT are winning on that front. But anyway, this is a completely separate case. It could be quicker, who knows? But right now, things are taking a while to hear from the judge, and we're waiting on the ruling. But with that aside, let's talk about HCMC, okay, with the rights offering. You guys finally may have got a notification. If you're with Trading 212 like I am, you would finally have seen a notification on the rights offering. This would have came through HCMC open offer with key information. And if you haven't got this, you should reach out to Trading 212, because I believe they have sent it out to all shareholders in HCMC. On the 19th of May, they commenced their subscription period in an open offer as part of its capital raise. They are raising money via doing a rights offering, which I spoke about in lots of times. You can check out all my previous videos on this. The requirement for participation in the rights by shareholders is as follows. For every 4 shares held before the 17th of May, its holders are entitled to 1 right, and 1 right is received for 1 new share. Okay, so that's what's going to happen. You're going to get a 25% discount on that share. And you can see here, the estimated price for the subscription per share is 0.0014. Now, with that in mind, that is the estimated price. Okay, 5 days prior to the close, we're going to get that. However, we are coming up to the close, so we're very close to getting the exact amount you're going to be getting. But estimated at that moment in time, 0.0014. The price is actually less than that right now, 0.0013. So does it make crazy sense to be taking up this rights offering at a discounted price? In my opinion, not so much, okay, because we are currently sitting, as you can see, 0.0013 at this moment in time. We have a bit of a red day going on right now. However, that is the estimated price, but reality is, right now, it's not moving too volatile. It's not moving too crazy where you're going to get that crazy discount. What this does do, though, it gives you the option here to add to your shares, because you may well get that discount once we get the exact price that this is going to be. But with that being said, if you're trying to buy in this purely to try and get a discount, maybe, it's not worth it in that instance. However, it's completely up to you. If you want to take the rights offering, you can take up the rights offering and get this. That is for those of you that believe in this company and want to just build on your position. Why not just do it from potentially a discount? But like I said so many times, 25% on a stock which can move crazy amounts in a short time, that 25% profit or discount could be immediately whacked out. So you just want to bear that in mind, okay? Personally, I will not be taking this up. However, I'm covering the updates because we now at least have the option to, which is what we've been waiting for. So Trading 212 have put this out. Not to mention, Healthy Choices actually put out an announcement today. Healthy Choices Management Corp reminder rights offering expires on June the 10th. June the 10th, we are coming very close to that, okay? It got extended. It was meant to be a lot earlier, but as we spoke about in previous videos, brokerages were taking a long time to get out the rights offering. I only just got a notification on Trading 212 yesterday, which is when it's meant to be closed. So we finally got it, so you don't have long to take it up. However, if you want to take it up, you can do. And there's actually a little list here of when their deadline is. Some of these will actually have already ended or ending today. TD Waterhouse, Fidelity are ending on June the 8th. A lot of these are June the 8th. Interactive Brokers are June the 10th. RBC June the 8th as well. You can see the different times. So you don't have long to take this up. If you want to take this up, okay, you can go ahead and buy it right now. You do this a few different ways, like I say, through your brokerage or by hand delivery or overnight courier. You can email it to that address, send the letter, etc. Lots of different ways you can do this, okay, if you want to take up the rights offering. Like we say, originally it's going to be the 5 days VWAP, which is the average price. And now if they're closing on June the 10th, okay, you got a 5 days price to June the 10th. So the next 5 days average price will be the price you get it at. Like I say, is it going to be a crazy discount? I'm not too sure at this moment in time. It doesn't look to be like that, but nevertheless, it is a good opportunity to build in your position if you so wish to. That's how the current price is moving. Like I said, it might look slightly different on the screen at the time of filming this anyway. Now, there's been a little bit of a news release come out this one as well. Microcap Daily put out this article, Mighty Move brewing on Healthy Choices Management Corp. as PMI patent infringement lawsuit gains traction. Maybe this was actually only put out just a couple of days ago. Maybe a lot of people are starting to look at this again. It does go through what's currently going on, the current situation, how we've got to this point so far in this process. Because, you know, those of you that have followed us for some time, you'll know that it has been a process. The price has been very, very crazy. Somebody actually put out this tweet. We all know what's going on with AMC GameStop, heavily shorted stocks. HCMC is a shorted stock as well. People are saying, will there be a short squeeze in HCMC? I guess time will tell. Right now, that's a bit more under the radar. Will it happen? I wouldn't rule it out. It is definitely possible, but in my opinion, not highly likely right now. Any day, HCMC will skyrocket to the moon when the judge denies PM's motion to dismiss. It well and truly could do that. We've been waiting so long. A catalyst like this may now shift this price. Don't forget, 95 to 97% of all patent cases end in a settlement. But HCMC clearly states that they want a jury trial to seek the maximum settlement award. They want that jury trial. Therefore, they are obviously hoping and they are obviously predicting that they are going to win this. Otherwise, why would they not take a settlement? We're not ruling the settlement out, and the settlement would also be good for this company. It's going to give them a massive payout, that's for sure, either way, but they want the maximum payout as well. It goes on to say here that it is currently trading several billions of shares per day. HCMC is looking to break out of its trading range. The stock is amongst the most exciting stocks. It's small caps that continue the most talked about stocks in the small cap, well over 400,000 shareholders. Bear in mind, it's not even moving too much. Everyone is still aware of this company. It's still one of the most watched on Trading 212, and for over 400,000 holders for such a small cap stock of over about 400 million market cap. So that's just the news about this one, okay? The Reddit community, once again, is there as well. Almost 40,000 members in the Reddit community. It's a little bit more quieter, we must admit. People are looking at the Wall Street Bets community right now. Somebody's actually criticising the socials, which I do kind of agree with here. Going through HCMC socials, it talks about, you know, being only 100 likes and 39,000 people. We're not doing enough. More visibility means more sales. More sales means more profit. More profit means bigger figure and better figure at the end of the next quarter results. How does that benefit us as the shareholders? It makes the company look more appealing to other investors. Now, I know most of us are here for the court hearing, but the people we have on this board, the better. The more people we have, the better. Not financial advice. Okay, the social media only recently took the social media, only recently got their Twitter, okay, their Instagram, literally in the process of us covering this stock. So, you know, that presence can obviously continue to be built on over time. You can see for the last week range, it looks pretty similar to the rest of the last weeks, okay? It is barcoding pretty much. Highs of around about 14, lows of around about 12. Not moving too much. But yeah, just a quick update on the rights offering. Many of these are expiring on June the 8th, and a couple are expiring on June the 10th. By June the 10th, we will know exactly what the price we're getting, everything, etc. with the rights offering, and obviously how many people have actually taken this one up. I can't imagine it being oversubscribed, but I guess time will tell. We're going to see. And of course, we're going to keep giving you the updates on HCMC as well. And hopefully, we're going to hear from the judge very, very soon. We have no idea when it's going to be. It's already well and truly surpassed our expectations of how long this would take in terms of the ruling on the motion to dismiss. So we can only imagine everything else down the line is going to take a long time as well. But nevertheless, if you appreciate all these updates, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel. We have a free Discord with a HCMC channel, and I have a Patreon as well where I put out exclusive videos, live streams, etc. Go ahead and check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.